Hello guys, I'm back here in this Yoko showroom. So this time bought the dash cam. I want to fit the dash cam to this new Jimny. So almost the wiring is done. I think it very quickly has done some wiring. So this is a dual channel dash cam. So one goes in the back rear here, and and it is powered on from the front. So we're just contemplating where we have to place the dash cam, which part of the windscreen. So I bought the dash cam already. Previously ordered, I think through Flipkart or Amazon, I don't remember. So it's a made in India 4K dual channel dash cam. I think this the name of the dash cam. Let me check the box. Yeah, so that's the dash cam, guys. So let me tell you how he's fixing it. Yeah, it comes like that. So this is CPPlus. I think CPPlus is a brand. Yeah. So hopefully that wires he could hide in either ways. Yeah, looks nice. Just on top of the fast tag, middle of the windshield. Yeah, it's just middle of the windshield. He's trying to plug. Yeah, so that's how it is. So that much is visible. I think that's okay, guys. Anika, give me the box, Chetu. The box, if it is empty. So this is the brand CarKam. You can see CPPlus CarKam 4K front and rear cam. So it's 4K dash cam, dual channel front and rear, CarKam. I think that's the brand, CPPlus. It costed me around 15,000 or 16,000. I don't remember, but that's. So these are the features. We have a 4K and a built-in touch display. Of course, this is touch screen. Yeah, you can record time lapse. I think that's great. Parking mode support. ADAS is there. And of course it has GPS, G-speed based, like event emergency recording, GPS enabled, dual Wi-Fi band support, and SD card support. So all of that is there. Oh, you can see it here. I think the price is around yeah, it says 21,990, but I think I got it for 16 or 14. That's how they sell online. So I could go for 80 mi. So in the Beamer I had 80 mi, but yeah, this looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Did you do FC card?
No,
He's asking.
we'll buy here. బాగుంది కదా? చేతు ఆల్సో ఇస్ హియర్.
BMW కంటే పెద్దది కదా?
So the wiring went from that side to this side. Rare. So we are not doing we are not doing hard wiring, right?
No, sir. Soft wiring.
Soft wiring, yeah. So which means one USB is all the mobile charger.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can use for mobile charging.
A cigarette lighter.
Yes.
A cigarette lighter. Okay. You have the card? No, I don't have the card. SD card. Ah. I think rare it records only 2K. ఫ్రంట్ ఇస్ 4K. సో నీకు యాప్ లోడ్ చేసుకొని నువ్వు చూసుకుంటూ ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ ఇన్ మై ఫోన్. Yeah, I can also add it. You can have both apps. So this is how it looks like that. I think he will install it here. You cannot have it here in Jimny because what happens is because of this tire, Stephanie. So he's saying that yeah, if you put it here, so the position is not right. The rear one looks like this. The rear one looks like that. It has to be on that side, as I told. It's completely concealed the wiring nicely. వైర్లు కనబట్టలేదు కదా చేతి, బాగున్నా వైర్లు ఏం కనబట్టలేదు కదా, పక్కన ఉంది కానీ బట్ ఇంకా కొన్నిట్లకైతే మరీ దారుణం కనబడతాయి. ఓ మ్యాన్, సో వీ హ్యావ్ జస్ట్ చేంజ్డ్ ద లైట్స్, tail lights to Union Jack things. We just done the work here. Looks how beautifully the turn indicators. Yeah, so it's beautiful, man. So I just bought from this Hermes. So there is a vendor here, so has done. So actually the stock lights are very basic, but this looks changed the complete look. Looks very upmarket, guys. So Union Jacks. Pretty elegant. This is how it is looking now. Awesome. Okay, so what is the purpose of changing these lights? So the basic, it comes with very bare bone halogens, which really looks outdated or old school. So there are a lot of configurations in the market out there. So all kind of innovations are the lights. So Jimny has tons and tons of accessories. And then lights, tail lights especially is one among them. And the second comes is the front grille. Anyway, I'm not changing the front grille. But guys, see this, yeah. So there are other models, but somehow I feel, they call it Union Jack style. Somehow I think this gives a clean, non-cluttered, elegant look. And it complements the color as well. So yeah, so you have this turn indicators or hazards, and then this is one very good configuration. Looks fantastic actually. And the reliability and the reliability part, we have to see how good, how bad it is. But for now the brightness looks okay, seamless. I mean, it's plug and play, so you don't need to cut any wires or put any relays or harnesses. So there's no electrical changes, right? So basically it's just basic coupling. And then of course the effort is on to remove the bumper, because the light assembly is part of that. Wonderful money. Okay, folks, from the rear this is the view. Maybe we need to change the LED on top of the number plate. Maybe that's also okay. I think it looks fine. So it's indeed very impressive look. Very impressive, I would say. So